Hey guys, it's Barrett here doing another video today. I wanted to do a quick video on how I paint matched my door handles for my 2003 Silverado. Now this will work for any 99 to 07 Silverado, Suburban, Tahoe. You just follow the same procedure, it's all the same. So I started taking them apart. I got this one apart. And then this one, I got the first pin out. So the pin at the back here, and then there's, see this pin at the front with the latch. The one with the latch is shorter than the other two. The one over here is slightly longer. I don't know if you can see that there. And then don't lose these little plastic pieces that kind of hold these pins in place right here. And then you're just going to want to place channel locks kind of on the plastic there and then over here on the top of the pin, and then just slowly, gently push the pin out. And then once you have everything off of there, you can just flip it over. And then to get this out, you're just gonna wanna lift this side and then kind of pull this side and it'll pop out just like that. So as you can see, the ones that I ordered, they're already painted black. So if you had a black truck, you could just put these on and I think it would match. So right now my truck has the textured black plastic ones. If your truck has these and you wanna paint them, I'd recommend sanding them, get all the texture out of it, make it super smooth. But because I have these ones that are already super smooth and painted, I'm just gonna use a paint and body scuff pad, these 3M ones, and I'm just gonna scuff up the surface. I'll do a layer of primer, do some sanding on that, and then it'll just be ready for paint. So it's now the next day. I let these dry overnight. You probably don't have to. I did 3 layers of primer, 5 to 10 minutes apart for each layer. I sanded them with 1500 grit sandpaper just to get any texture out of it that the primer might have left. So they're super smooth right now. And then after I sanded it, I wiped them down with just a wet rag to get any like sanding dust off of them. And this is the paint I'm using. It's Duplicolor Perfect Match. It's called Dark Spiraled Gray Metallic. There's the numbers and everything for it if you want to get it yourself. Here's what it looks like with the first coat down. You're gonna wanna hold the can like a foot away-ish and then just go over it evenly. And then depending how this looks, I'm gonna do 3 to 4 coats, 5 to 10 minutes apart each. And I'm just gonna keep going until I can darken it up a little bit. All right guys, so I've done about 4 coats of paint and I just put on my second coat of clear coat. For the layers of paint, I did them about 10 minutes apart for each layer. And then I waited about an hour to put clear coat on. I'm gonna let these dry overnight and I'll update you guys tomorrow. All right guys, so here they are all done. I did just reassemble all the hardware and stuff. So they are ready to be put on the truck. They came out great. So we'll see what they look like on the truck. So here are the handles on the truck. I think it came out really good. Matches pretty damn well. It's a little darker than the truck, but you can hardly tell unless you're like up close looking for it. But I think the chrome really makes it pop. It matches with the mirrors and obviously the grill and the wheels. So that's going to be it for my video on painting the door handles on a 2003 Silverado. If you enjoyed, be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.